N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. Me on the mic, that's you.
Welcome back, guys. It's Joe Wakefield BMX. We're here Saturday, slow-mo Saturday. We've come down to Mundesley Skatepark, just on the coast of Norfolk near Cromer. We're going to try and get as much as we can today. Yesterday was Saturday and we were supposed to be out for slow-mo Saturday. Was in Lowestoft. I got all the way to Lowestoft, did the train, did the intros, did all of that, and the day didn't go to plan, so cancelled. So we are all the way out in Cromer, another day out. So I hope you enjoy all the footage we get today, guys. We shall be on action cam and shall be slow-mo. Give me a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I shall see you in a bit. Enjoy all this footage to come. Peace.
N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. Me on the mic, that's you.
Like I shrink, my life is F to the max. Caught every night I dream about peas and stacks. I wake up, write bars, lay some tracks, and I took time out, but like a cap this year I'm gonna snap back. Left the milk at home, I'm avoiding cats. I'm Irish, but I don't say what's the crack. Yeah, it's like that. The green shamrock is what I rep, and like Wiley I might take a few steps to show a whole nation that I don't pretend. Nah, I rep grime to the end. If you talk shit in your bars, then I might just send. I heard in that also, please don't act like you're my friend, cause if it's your funeral I wouldn't attend.
N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. Me on the mic, that's you. N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. N-R-N-R, that's where I'm from. Me on the mic, that's you.
I'm a rock star, mama. Only fragrance on me is the smell of marijuana. Got the drugs and the problems. I'm a rock star, mama. Suicidal with depression, feel like Kurt and Nirvana. Jean denim in a red flannel, and my Vans match the color of my bandana. I've been high for 2 weeks, taking anything. Exes hit me up, they still wishing for some wedding rings. But I'm a rock star, only exes that we fuck with are the white bars. Tryna find an urge to quit, but that's a find I find hard. I'm still feeling paranoid, thinking about you every time the drugs help me hear your voice. And I've been trying to find you, but I know I pass behind you. And you know I'll take your heart as long as you be taking mine too. But you a groupie, yeah, you gon' lose me on the next show. To the next hoe, wish you never knew me. I'm a rock star, mama. Only fragrance on me is the smell of marijuana. Got the drugs and the problems. I'm a rock star, mama. Suicidal with depression, feel like Kurt and Nirvana. She said she loved me, whatever that is. Do me a favor, save that shit. She said she loved me, whatever that is. Do me a favor, save that shit. I'm a rock star, mama. Only fragrance on me is the smell of marijuana. Got the drugs and the problems. I'm a rock star, mama. Suicidal with depression, feel like Kurt and Nirvana. I'm a rock star, mama. Only fragrance on me is the smell of marijuana. Got the drugs and the problems. I'm a rock star, mama. Suicidal with depression, feel like Kurt and Nirvana. Fragrance on me is the smell of marijuana. Got the drugs and the problems. I'm a rock star, mama. Suicidal with depression, feel like Kurt and Nirvana. She said she loved me, whatever that is. Do me a favor, save that shit. She said she loved me, whatever that is. Do me a favor, save that shit. I'm a rock star, mama. Only fragrance on me is the smell of marijuana. Got the drugs and the problems. I'm a rock star. Suicidal with depression, feel like Kurt and Nirvana. I'm a rock star, mama. Only fragrance on me is the smell of marijuana. Got the drugs and the problems. I'm a rock star, mama. Suicidal with depression, feel like Kurt and Nirvana.
I know I'ma get it, I just don't know how. I've never felt how I feel right now, but everything is alright. Everything is alright. And mama, don't worry, I'ma make you proud. I know you're scared, but it's gonna work out. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I'm sorry for the times that I ever let you down, when we got in arguments about me going dropping out. But just know that everything I do, I'm doing it for you. And I know it's gonna work out, but I just need some time to prove. Thinking back to when I finished college, almost left the town. I was focused on the music, I just wanted to surround myself with all the stars, thinking they would help me shine. But really had to focus on what I had built inside. Cause I know I'ma get it, but just know it takes time. I hate to see you worry, but just know that I'll be fine. I'm waiting for the day when we can sit and reminisce. I'ma take you around the world and buy you anything you wish. But for now, just know that I've been working more than ever. I know that I'ma get it, so the family living better. I know that you still love me, but I wanna make you proud. I can't wait to see you smiling up in front of the whole crowd. Like, I know I'ma get it, I just don't know how. I've never felt how I feel right now, but everything is alright. Everything is alright. And Papa, don't worry, I'ma make you proud. I know you're scared, but it's gonna work out. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I know that I owe you back for everything you done. You left your happiness to help me pay my college funds. Living all alone in a place that you never been. And you worked your whole life to put me in a place to win. So I can't stop now, no I won't stop now. And I know that I'ma get it, but I don't know how. Either make it as a dentist or just make it through the music. You gave me everything you got, just know I never lose it. Nothing in this life I got can never be for certain, but I'ma make it work and make your hard work worth it. And as the clock ticks, I know you're deep down hurting. I'm doing everything I can to make sure it don't worsen. But now, just know that I've been working more than ever. I know that I'ma get it, so the family living better. I know that you still love me, but I wanna make you proud. I can't wait to see you smiling up in front of the whole crowd. Like, I know I'ma get it, I just don't know how. I've never felt how I feel right now, but everything is alright.
Welcome back, guys. Right, we are done for Slow-Mo Saturday down at Mundesley Skatepark, just down on the coast near Cromer. I hope you've enjoyed all the clips from today. If you give me a like down below, a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. If you want to suggest anything, say anything, see any of my future posts, all of that is by doing them down at the bottom of this post. So thank you very much. There'll be two blocks at the end of this video, one on the left and one on the right will be to my previous video and my previous series video for this upload. Thank you for watching, I'll see you again soon. Peace from me.